Men over 50, if yard work wrecks your ankles, this is for you. That throbbing after mowing, weeding, or hauling bags, it's usually arthritis from old sports mileage plus uneven ground. When your ankles hurt, you change how you walk. Then your knees, hips, and back pay the price. Fixing ankles protects everything up the chain. Start with orthotic inserts. They absorb shock and realign the foot so every step isn't grinding cartilage. Cheap, fast win. Before shoes go on, 30 seconds calf stretch each side, 20 ankle circles each way, 10 slow rocks over your toes. 1 minute, daily. After heavy yard days, ice 10 to 15 minutes, hydrate, and feet up. It knocks inflammation down so you're not limping tomorrow. Ditch soft, sloppy shoes. Wear stable boots outdoors and avoid long sessions on uneven slopes. Break work into chunks. If this is your life every weekend, comment ankle, so I know to drop the full ankle routine video. Pain-free ankles mean more walking, better training, and real momentum. Grab my free 7-day Spartan insulin reset below. Start today. Move like you used to.